Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to do a RAM replacement or upgrade on a Dell Inspiron E1505. So, first thing you want to do, hold the power button until that status LED goes away. Boom, close the screen, unplug. Make sure you remember to unplug, and also make sure you slide this little switch, remove the battery, or else it's like giving your computer a lobotomy. And then we're just going to unscrew this little panel right here. Yep. It's usually right where the Windows sticker is in the center of the computer. And then you just have your RAM sticks right there. Flick. Ba-boom. Would recommend 2 hands for those clips. And you just pop it right back. Pop in your new stick. Seal it all on up. And, well, you screw it back on in. Yep. Put back in your battery. You gotta make sure the little lip's over the edge right there. And then, yep. Then we're just gonna flip it on over. Make sure our power is plugged back in. Or if you have a fully charged battery, you don't need to do that. And it should just boot straight into BIOS. There you go. That's your RAM upgrade. And if it is blinking right here, that means you just have to go back in and take out and put back in the RAM. And it should stop. Or if it doesn't, that means you might have a bad stick, or it just doesn't support that amount of memory, which is, I'm pretty sure, 4 gigabytes on this. And that's all.